Hi friends, this is Hema from Clean and Organize. I'm so happy to see you in another new video. This video is a healthy drink recipe video. If you have watched my morning and afternoon routine video, you would have seen that we take juice every morning. In this video, I'm sharing with you the ingredients that I am adding in the juice recently and how I make it. The ingredients needed are 1 pomegranate, 1 carrot, 1 cucumber, handful of grapes, 1 beetroot and an inch of ginger. Pomegranate contains antioxidants and is rich in vitamin C and E. It helps in digestion, improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. As we all know, carrot is rich in vitamin A, which improves eye health. It is also a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, potassium and antioxidants. Cucumber is low in calories and has high water content, which promotes hydration and also helps in weight loss. It lowers our blood sugar. Grapes is rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. It helps in lowering blood pressure and also reduces cholesterol. Beetroot has more vitamins and minerals. It is low in calories and fat and has high water content, which helps to lose weight. It is a good source of fiber, which improves digestion. Ginger helps in digestion, reduces nausea, and reduces muscle pain and soreness. I am adding all these ingredients to a mixie jar and grinding it into a smooth paste, and then I filter it using a sieve. If you have watched my morning and afternoon routine video, I would have used a muslin cloth to filter the juice. Since I don't have muslin cloth now, I am using the sieve to filter the juice. You can either filter it once or twice to get only the water content. I hope you liked this healthy juice recipe video. Do try it at your home and give me the feedback. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to watch more interesting and different videos, don't forget to subscribe to Clean and Organize channel.